In today's video, I will walk you through how to clear Claude AI chat history. First, head to Claude AI and sign in. Make sure you're using the account where the conversation you want to remove is located. Once you're signed in, open the chat history or sidebar where your previous conversations are listed. On desktop, this is typically on the left side of the screen. On mobile or smaller windows, you may need to tap the menu icon to reveal the sidebar. Once the chat history is open, you'll see a list of your previous conversations. Locate the conversation you want to remove. If you have multiple conversations, scroll through the list and check the conversation titles until you find the one you want to delete. Next, open the conversation you want to remove. Click it once to bring it into focus. Check the conversation to make sure you've selected the correct chat, especially if you have multiple conversations with similar topics. With the conversation open, look at the top of the chat. You should see either a three-dot menu, shown as a vertical ellipsis, or the conversation name itself. Click the three-dot menu or the conversation name to display the available options. From the list, look for the option to delete or clear the conversation. Select Delete or Clear Conversation. The exact wording may vary, but the option will remove the selected conversation from your chat history. If a confirmation prompt appears, review the prompt and confirm that you want to delete the conversation. After you confirm the deletion, the conversation should disappear from the sidebar and should no longer be accessible from your chat history. If the sidebar does not update immediately, give it a moment for the change to appear. To remove another conversation, repeat the same process. Select the conversation you want to remove, open it, access the menu or conversation name, and choose Delete or Clear Conversation. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm the deletion. Continue this process one conversation at a time until you've removed the chats you no longer want in your history. Remember to check that you've selected the correct conversation before confirming each deletion. This helps make sure you only remove the chat you intended to delete. That's it. You've opened your chat history, selected the conversation you wanted to remove, accessed its menu, and chosen Delete or Clear Conversation. The selected chat is now removed from your chat history. You can repeat these steps whenever you need to clear another conversation. Thank you for watching.